abroad and everywhere, those of us who would not make it to join it here, or you can be able to check on YouTube, Sanlo Limited, for the link, and we are live. Also, ladies and gentlemen, please check this institution social media platforms. We are there at Kirua Technical Training Institute. We are on TikTok, we are on Facebook, we are on X, ama al-kadhalika Twitter, wengine wanasema Twitter. Yes, we are on X as Kirua TTI. Please, when you take a photo, our graduates, our visitors, please tag us on our social media platforms. That is Kirua TTI or Kirua Technical on TikTok and all other platforms. At this point in time, any moment from now, we shall be starting the official procession. Of course, it shall be led with the police band, and they will be ushering in the academic procession, and that will be handled and done with our police band. Of course, once they are here, we shall be upstanding as we honor our country through the national anthem, East African anthem, and of course, we shall have a session of an opening prayer, and the entertainment segment will be kicking off. And I want to believe and hope that our performing arts are ready and set for today. Today is a happy day, so please take as many selfies as you can. Please smile and let us have a good time. My name is James Apasi, DJ from Sanlo Limited. And Sanlo Limited is the company that have been able to set up this amazing tent deco and every other aspect of this event. So thank you so much for joining us. Wazazi wetu ambao bado hawajapata nafasi ya kuketi, ningependa kuomba ya kwamba ashes wetu mnavyoendelea kuwashughulikia, kama bado tuko na nafasi humu ndani, waweze wakapata nafasi ya kukaa, na kama kutakuwa kumejaa, basi let us have a contingency plan just to make sure that our guests and visitors are comfortable. Whenever you're ready, DJ L.
Can I hear celebrations? Nimekuja kusema